Facebook not sending SMS code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can solve if Facebook is not sending SMS code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe sometimes you're trying to log in, it asks you to verify, but you're not being able to verify and log in because it is simply not sending us the SMS code. Now first of all, if it's not sending the SMS code, do not try from the same page over and over again. In fact, what I want you to do is I want you to simply reset the Facebook app by long pressing on the Facebook app icon, tapping the I button to come to the app info page, then simply going to storage, clearing the cache, and make sure you clear the data. After you do that, make sure that your Facebook app is also updated to the recent version. Now sometimes Facebook will send a code to your phone number, so you want to make sure that you are logged in with your phone number as well, and that your phone number is working correctly and that you're receiving messages. It might also send it to an email address, so you might want to check there as well. And after you have done that, clear the app data and try to log in again, and it should definitely send you the code. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix Facebook not sending SMS code. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.